Hello, welcome back to the channel, and once again I'm going to be trying to do the 6 Nerdle puzzles, I guess as quickly as possible. I never know how to explain it, I'm just going to try and solve them. Okay, so here we haven't got an equals there, we clearly can't have an equals one step to the left, so it's going to be a 2-digit number minus something times something, probably. So maybe 76 minus 8 times 9. It could be 9 times 8, or it could be something completely different. Okay. So maybe 79 minus 9 times 8. We must be quite close. Got it in 3. First time I've got it in 3 for a while. There's been some tough ones recently and I've been getting them in 4. But yeah, happy with that. So let's move on to the Nerdle. Start the same as ever. And it's another something minus something equals something. On the top one at least. The bottom one's interesting actually. There isn't a minus there, so it could just be... Oh, it can't just be something minus something minus something. It could be something minus something plus something, or vice versa. Let's focus on the top one first. What have we got? 76, just to try a different number, minus 32. Oh, I'm going to be a little bit disappointed if it's simply moving those two around. And it is. Oh. Nearly got that in 2. That was a wild guess out of nowhere. So what have we got for the second one? There's probably going to be multiplication involved to get up to 40 something. 7 times 7 would be 49. So it could be 7 times 7 minus 1. Or minus 8. There we go, I knew it was going to be minus 8. It's always the wrong way around, except when it's not. 5 guesses, not terrible, but not my best. Although, 5 guesses for binodal is respectable, I think. Let's go on to the instant. So it's going to be equals something. not 20 something. 9 times 5 would be 45. Minus 46 is not going to work. In fact, it can't be something times something minus a 2-digit number. So it's going to have to be a 2-digit number minus something times 6, probably. So... 20, oh no, it can't be. I was thinking 29 minus 4 times 6. That does work. But we can't start with a 2. So can we rejig the digits somehow? Not quite sure. 40 something times... I'm fairly confident that that bunch is correct. I solved this puzzle in 15 seconds yesterday. The instants seem to vary in difficulty quite a lot, although also I think I'm making quite a meal out of this one. 54 minus 9 times 6 would be 0, and not 2, which is what we would have left. Not going to be 59, because then we're going to run out of odd digits. It's not going to be 90 something, because that's just going to be too high. Oh, it could just be minus 6. No, it can't be something times a 2-digit number minus 6. No, so I think I was right the first time. 2-digit number minus... So what are the options? 49 is way too high, because then we can only take away 30. 45 can't be right. 42 minus 30 or 54 is not going to work. Oh, there's a divide. Helps if I... Oh, crikey. Right, now it can be something like that. Two-digit number divided by something. 45 over 9 is not going to work. 54 over 9 is also not going to work. Oh, it's so much easier when you use the right symbols. Yeah, 9 minus 42 over 6. No, that's equals 2. We've already used the 2. Oh, I'm making a complete hash of this one. If it's something divided by 6, then it can only be 42. I don't think we can make a two-digit number that's divisible by 6 with the other digits. So it's got to be a two-digit number. That has to be correct for the symbols. 52 over 4 is 13. Take away 6 is not 9. We haven't got 11, we haven't got 15, we haven't got 10. What is going on? This is the biggest mess I've ever made of one of these instant nerdles. $54 over 9 is 6. 52 over 4 is 13. 92 and 94 divided by 6 don't work. 54 divided by 6 would be 9. But we can't do 9 minus 9. That doesn't equal 2. What else can the division be? 94 over 2 is 47. Oh, of course. 9 minus 24 over 6 equals 5. Wow, I made such a hash of that. That took far longer than it should have done. Let's hope to do the speed one quicker. Well, they've given us most of the sum already. How about 8 times 3 plus 7 equals 31? Oh, 15 seconds for that one instead. It usually takes me ages to do this one, and the instant is really quick, but today, complete reversal. I haven't got this one in 2 for a long time, if ever. Let's hope to finish on some easy mini ones. So, subtraction. Yes, it is subtraction. It could be 18 minus 9. Oh. 10 minus 1. 4 guesses. Not the easiest, although I clearly made a hash of it, but duplicated ones, I'm going to say that that made it harder. And using the 0, that's always the digit that I seem to try last. Let's try something different for this one. 8 times 7 equals 56. We'll use some higher digits. And that has not worked out at all. I should have just stuck with the 4s, 3s, 1s and 2s. There we go. That was a bit lucky. Could have been 3 times 4, and I'm sure it could have been a few other things as well. 3 plus 8 equals 11? Wow, okay. So, start was not very good, but I suppose it helped by ruling out quite a few things. So, solved them both in 3, which is about as quick as you can ever hope to do it. If you guess right on the first guess, then that's obviously incredibly lucky. So yeah, quite happy with that finish. A little bit of a blip in the middle, but overall, not too bad. Thank you for watching. Bye for today.